Hi, my name is Shelby, and someone who was confused, overwhelmed, didn't know where to start online. I was binge watching YouTube videos, TikToks. I was doing all the things. And after doing it for so long, trying to figure it out, I finally did. Most people do not fail because they can't do this. They fail because they didn't have clear direction on how to build income online with clear directions. They watched a whole bunch of videos, posting with no purpose and hoping something sticks. My mission is to actually turn your skills and ideas into income online, like knowing who to talk to, what you're going to offer, and how to guide people instead of guessing with clear, simple, step by step direction. So, if you're ready to start building online with clarity, simple directions, then take the 60-second assessment quiz below so you can start building online. Talk to you soon. Bye.